to Disney this day, I'm Egon Bonkers. And on this day in 1971, a 3-day Cinderella Festival began at Disneyland. It celebrated the 20th anniversary of the film and the upcoming debut of the Cinderella Castle at the Walt Disney World Resort. The event featured garden tours from Disneyland horticulturists and multiple fashion shows daily. A special 24-page booklet included recipes from Cinderella's royal feast. Each morning, one lucky guest was even crowned Princess Cinderella for the day. Do you remember it? I don't. Anyway, have a magical day.